Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing scope. Pick the 1 to 3 tasks that will free up your time and produce measurable results. Once done, write one-page SOPs and record short screen demos so the virtual assistant can follow concrete steps. Make sure to set up a project board, shared drive, a password manager, and a time tracker before the hire. Then run a short paid trial task. This starts the process now and prevents long onboarding on the wrong work. Once the trial is good, onboard with a live 30 to 60-minute session where you walk through the SOPs and watch the VA perform steps while you correct errors. Make sure to record that session for reference. Then assign 2 to 3 graded tasks, observation first, assisted next, independent last, with clear deadlines and examples. Use KPIs like accuracy percentage, turnaround time, and weekly capacity to measure progress. And automate. To finish the setup, implement weekly reviews and batch similar tasks to improve efficiency, then gradually escalate the VA's access as trust grows. Make sure payment cadence and contractor paperwork are settled up front, for example Form 1099 if applicable. Once scaled, optimize workflows and hand off more projects. If things go wrong, pause assigning new tasks, diagnose the root cause with examples and timestamps, retrain on the exact step, and only reassign when performance meets your KPI baseline to avoid repeating errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.